William got a new toy from his grandma and grandpa this week. What is it, William?
Dump.
Dump truck?
Never.
Show me how it works. He's been pretty much obsessed with it since he got it.
Truck.
Chuck, that's right. What would you like? What would you like? What's that? It's pretty good on it.